Hello everyone, myself Dr. Neetu. I am ENT surgeon working in Noida, India. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Five Senses. Today we will talk about upper respiratory infection, which is also called common cold, and most of the patients they do call it viral also. Though the cause is not always viral, 80% cases they have viral infection for the upper respiratory infection, but 20% patients do have the bacterial infection too, for which we need antibiotics. And for 80% cases, viral infection, we don't need antibiotics. So don't take antibiotics on your own, especially azithromycin, which is very common with the patient because it is one dose for 3 days and they are very satisfied that yes, they have taken the antibiotic. Now coming to what is the virus or what is common cold, what is upper respiratory infection. Symptoms are nasal blockage, nasal discharge, sneezing, headache, throat pain, throat irritation, cough, voice change, body aches. These are the common symptoms of the upper respiratory infection. Now how to deal with this thing? As I have told you already, it is 80% virus, so please don't take antibiotics. This is the take home message for this video. How to deal with this at home? The most important factors to deal with viral is hydration. How to hydrate yourself? By drinking 3 or 4 liters of water. When we are sick, it is not easy to drink 3-4 liters of water. So the best way to hydrate yourself during this time is that you drink basically electrolyte powder. It is one option. Some patients don't like the taste of electrolyte powder. So in that case, you can take sparkling water, which is carbonated water. So don't take chilled water, please, normal temperature water. So what are the benefits of taking either electrolyte powder or sparkling water? They have electrolytes which charge each and every cell of our body. So the cells which are sick in a body which is having the virus infection, the cells are also affected by the virus. So their channels are not activated, so they don't absorb the normal water which you drink. So when you are putting electrolytes inside the body, so these cells get activated, so they absorb more water. So one is hydration with electrolyte powder, carbonated water plus normal water too, because you can't drink so much of electrolyte powder in a day. Second thing, most important, is increase the saliva. Now, this is not patient usually acquainted with, but if you will increase the saliva, you will not suffer that throat irritation, cough and dry throat problem with time, because sometimes the nose is also blocked, you are breathing from the mouth. So increased saliva will help in dealing with all these symptoms. Now how to go ahead with the increased saliva? You take Saunf either after meals or any time of the day, 3 to 4 times a day. You can put some candy in the mouth. Instead of candy, if you like mulatti is a spice, Indian spice. You can keep this in the mouth for around 1 hour, half an hour, as much you are comfortable. Candies can be like any orange candy or even Limsi, that is vitamin C. But the candy which you need to avoid is Vicks candy. Vicks candy does give you that soothing, that sensation inside the throat, but that causes more dryness. So second is the increased saliva. Now third point is food. So please, better you come on to the light food, because body needs energy to fight with the virus load or the bacterial load inside the body. So let that energy be used for treating the disease which you are having, then digesting the food. So you better take light food. Second thing, what things you should avoid in food? It should be tea, coffee, sour, spicy. I will repeat again. Tea, coffee, sour, spicy. Tea, coffee causes dehydration. Spicy and sour food, it makes the body level pH acidic. The acidic pH does not fight with the infections and allergy easily. So you need more alkaline pH. Now about the medicines. For the medicines point of view, please first of all don't take antibiotics. You will need 2 things in this. One is antipyretics, means the medicines for fever. Second, anti-allergic. So there are some combinations available in market, both the tablets available, both the medicines available. Solving-Cold, B-Cold Total, Sinarest, Bicorin. There are many others too, but all these medicines, they have anti-allergic and paracetamol together. So once or twice a day, depending on the symptoms, maybe for 48 hours to 72 hours, because virus has a span of 72 hours. it increases the graph like this, fever, symptoms, everything increases for 72 hours, then drastically it comes down. In next 5 to 7 days, you will be fine. And most important thing is, please don't take unnecessary bed rest, because you need your body to be moving, to have all these things, to follow all these things, because if you are following the hydration point of view, the hydration thing, the saliva thing, and taking care of what to eat, what not to eat, only then you will improve faster, not by sleeping. And the second thing, last thing which I will suggest, that when you are doing steam, and the steam, please don't put any Vicks or any camphor or anything else until and unless you don't have nasal blockage, which is disturbing your sleep. So confine that particular type of steam only at the night time so that you can have a good sleep. But during daytime, you take plain steam to hydrate your nose, to clear the mucus, to hydrate the oral cavity, to hydrate the vocal box, so that you don't have this problem, prolonged problem of the throat irritation. Many patients, they have the habit of clearing the throat. They try to cough to bring out the sputum. Please, you are not helping yourself by doing this. Rather, it will injure the inflamed mucosa, and this irritated mucosa will have a prolonged intractable dry cough for around 3 weeks to 4 weeks, which will be difficult to treat. So don't try to do this thing. Your body has the capacity to clean the mucus itself. Just swallow it. It will be absorbed and it will be taken care by the stomach bacteria. And considering all these points, hydration, saliva, foods to avoid, medication, steam, and the last thing, the throat irritation, how to deal with this. If you are following these things like this, then definitely within 3 to 4 days you will be back as normal as you were before viral. For any queries, please refer to our phone numbers given on our website, Practo number on our Google website. You can send us text message or website. We would really love to answer. I enjoy sharing the information with you. Thank you.